Alright, continuing drive from Granger to Bartlett. I stopped here because it looked very interesting, and plus the name too. I've heard of Granger before. I don't know if that's in reference to this or what, but it's interesting.
Turn left at the stop sign.
Turn left. Ooh, ah, ee. Looks like I'm stopped on the tracks. This truck has a long... Oh, I don't know. Is he lefting it or going straight? It looks like he's kind of going straight. I don't know. I'll just see. It looks like he's probably going straight. Oh, he's taking a right. Well, he's going, so apparently. Oh, no. Yeah. All right. He just stood there for a while, trying to figure out his directions, I guess. He gave me space to make that left. If he wouldn't have gone though, I could have seen better, I think. Yeah, Blackland Co-op Gym. I think that's for cotton. The weather is fantastic. It's supposed to cool down a lot. I should get my winter clothes in good order. Well, that was a good walk. What is it? 9:30 on 224 Bartlett 5. We got 540 elevation. There used to be a house right there. That's a beekeeper. Oh no, there's birds on the road. Recognize that I went up one story on in that abandoned house. I got one story recorded. and they're male cows. This is a rare sight. That farmer gets an A+ for cow management. Relief. Oh! Historic Bartlett, 1881. Population 1675. American Plant Food Corporation. Texas Brazos Trail. Bartlett Bulldogs. State champions. The Bartlett Bulldogs. What a ring. Oh, it's probably slow, huh? 45. Leonardo's Body Shop. Historical District. Yeah, I guess. Turn left at blinking light. So they expect the light to blink all the time. This must be the blinking light, right? I go down. Turn left at blinking light. What a distraction. Who uses that? Oh, 35, okay. They do have a police force. Okay, the library is... should be this. There it is. I might be the only one here. Yeah. Are they even open? Oh my God, there's not even a car. Oh my God, there's no cars. Does a librarian walk here? Or are they closed? Uh-oh. Uh-oh. This does not look open. Oh no. Uh-oh. Google Maps did not update the change of hours. They don't have morning hours anymore. And they don't even, if they have a Wi-Fi, it's got a lock on it. Oh, great. Alright, so since this library is close to 1, I think I might try to stick around here. I think I can get away with cooking these vegetables. I want to really get them dried down though. I want to toast them, get them close to toasting. I don't really like them so wet. They actually got 3 garbage guys. 2 guys right in the back. So they use a cable they had to attach. So these guys were laughing at me. They pointed and laughed at me for some reason. I don't know why. I might have laughed at the fact that my bicycle looks bigger than my car. I bet a lot of people laugh at that. So these little guys pop like popcorn and pop right out of the pan. But they don't turn into popcorn though. Does someone actually live in that house? Looks like it's collapsing. Kitty thinks, oh, there he goes. Wasn't long. We were too close. Alright, it's not too large of a town, but it makes a good walk. I suspect that this might have had like a burn. This might have been a house that burnt down. How do you have so much trash like this? There's no sign of burning. Like they moved the stairs out of the way. It looked like maybe it was more demolished. Things look in pretty good shape. There's probably nails all over. Old VHS tape. They had a garage that's full of stuff too. It looks like a new trash can, a couple of new trash cans. So they were working on it. Yeah, you got a nice neighbor here, and then you got this trash pile in the corner. That's out of the view from the main driving roads. Alright, I don't want to look too much like a tourist. This is kind of neat though. This is actually a church. First Baptist Church. All the buildings here are in various states of disrepair and very nice repair. Like the screens are all blown out on this one. Houses are leaning, but then there's some that look really nice. Okay, this says it's an activity center. I'm kind of looking for a bathroom. Oh, museum too. And I'm gonna give her a try. Oh, now they're calling it a school. So it's either a museum, activity center, or school. Doors open. There's a slide. I don't want to walk in on a school. I can't tell. They got the door wide open. It looks like stuff's on display for a museum. There's music playing. Let's see if I can sneak into the bathroom. Oh. Oh. Here we are. Excellent. Right. Right.
How's it going? Good.
All right. Neat. Okay. Oh my God. Railroad. heck? Oh, alright, just. What is neat? So this is part of the display. I'm guessing they don't want to bother kicking me out. What is this for? Never seen it. Okay. Neat. And yeah, they're doing various work here. Regular general construction. Stairs that go up? I didn't see that. They did block off access, so I'm not gonna try to get through that. Huh. Oh, and people have tried to get in. That's neat. You can't see inside. It looks like a Christmas trees. I don't know. This is a very heavy-duty stair. Dog's barking at me. Yeah, I kind of want to get back to my car. I did not bring any water with me. I'm kind of thirsty. The sidewalks are not consistent yard to yard, so I just walk on the road. Right, so this church over here, their electrical meter is taken out. Dogs and birds, they make up most of the noise. You don't hear the cars rumbling, you hear dogs and birds. This is pretty neat. I wonder if they intend to move it? It'd be a little dangerous with such a tall steeple. That would shake right off. Doesn't look easy to look through windows. I can raise this camera up. Oh, they even have a historical reference. Late 1800s. Alright, I don't think you can, yeah. Neat. Yeah, that's falling apart. Suppose they took the bell out.